My dear students, let's discuss some of the important consideration of electronic resume. The e-recruitment process can also search for years of experience, education, and other desired specification. So there is a purpose behind e-recruitment process. Through e-recruitment process, you can search for the relevant qualification, relevant experience, and other desired specifications of the job. Employers can even assign weighted values to the various criteria. For example, there are three major criteria. One criteria is a qualification, second criteria is experience in terms of years, and the third criteria is a generic skills. So employers can allocate different values to each of the criteria, and then through that criteria they can tell themselves that which prospective employees is more suitable for that particular company. Because the automated system transferring information from resumes into an applicant databases, and it stresses on the keywords and phrases. What kind of keywords and phrases they are stresses on? They are stresses on the skills and the core work required for each job. As you know that each job has some specific skills and some core tasks. So they would focus on those key terms, and it would help them to search the most appropriate applicant for that particular job in the organization. So the applicants tend to focus on nouns, not verbs. For example, if an applicant were to write managed 5 operators in inverted commas, the word managed might be bypassed. However, if the applicant were to write, and again in inverted commas, managers of 5 operators, the word manager would stand out. So you have to use nouns, not verbs. You have to focus on nouns, not verbs as an applicant. Instead of scanning mailed or fax print version of resumes, my dear students, many employers are asking applicants to email their resume either as an attachment or in the body of an email message, or to paste your resume into web-based format. So you have to know about it, that whether you need to paste your email as an attachment, you have to paste your resume into an email body, or you have to put resumes into the web-based format. Sometimes text-based resume work best for posting on websites that choose built-in forms. So employers can then search for the keyword since the resume is already in digitized form. So it is easy for them. Note that some of the employers discourage resume sent as an attachment to emails. Why they discourage email attachments? They discourage because of sometimes these attachments wouldn't open because of concerns about computer viruses and incompatibilities among word processing programs. So computer viruses can be a threat to the employer's computer system, and sometimes their systems are not compatible with the resume format you have attached in the email. So it is very important, my dear student, clearly stipulate the form in which you prefer to receive resume when posting job. If you are an HR manager, your job is to tell your job applicant that what kind of resume they need to post. For example, do you want a formatted print resume sent as an attachment to an email message? So that is very important message you need to tell to your job applicant. Or do you favor a text-based resume stripped of formatting and paste directly into the email message? So you need to answer all these questions when you are posting your job into the electronic recruitment system. This is very important. Then your job applicants would be more comfortable and they would know about the requirements of a resume need to be posted in the electronic recruitment system.